Okay. Wait, take it out. I'm sorry. How do you take it out? Okay, boom. Put the magazine down. Now make sure that there's no round in the chamber. It's clear? Alright, load it up. Boom. Alright. You're good. You have to chamber around. You have to chamber around.
What?
You have to chamber around. Cock that motherfucker.
Oh. Did I do that?
All right. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, you actually did. So, okay. I'm gonna just reload this thing back up. It's a learning experience, you know what I'm saying? Guns are terrifying. The first time I shot a gun, it was like, huh? Who? Well, okay, you won't have to report me, but I want this for my memory. Okay. One more time. Make sure there's nothing in there. Pull it back. Don't be scared. Pull it back. There you go. That's what this grit right here is built for that. So you grab that piece, because otherwise your hands will slide off right there. All right. You'll see the bullet slide up into the chamber.
I'm a weak person right now.
No, you're not.
How come I can't do it? I hope you don't post the shit.
Try it like this. Hold it hard. You know
I
what
don't want
I'm
it
saying?
to catch my skin.
Hold it like as hard as you can, okay? You seen the bullet go up into there? Now, get into your grip and put your stance. You know what I'm saying? You want to lean forward into it. Don't put your finger on the trigger until you're ready to fire. Hold it hard. No, hold on. Time out, time out, time out. Okay. No, on the bottom. Good. You have a tight grip on it, right? All right. Did you line up your sights? That dot is in the middle. You're leaning forward into the shot. Yeah. So once you got it ready, you take that deep breath and you're ready to go and hold it tight. You can do it. Imagine that's an attacker coming to kill you. Yeah! Ah! You can do it, baby. I'm so proud. I'm so